Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back. Today we've got a Temu haul in a very different way because unfortunately this was supposed to be opened up, with the orange bag, but Temu keep packing orders in with other things. Even though I tried to order them separately so that we can do that unboxing, they keep packing them in with other things that I've ordered. One of the things I ordered was this Love and Peace band, but because I want to try and segregate for it to, I don't want to diamond paintings in with, like, say, this. So this came in with several other things, and then I've got another Temu haul that came today, again came in with several other things. So the only way to do this one is to do it like this, if you get me, so like that. I'm going to really try, the plan of action is what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all the Temu orders on one order, wait a couple of days for that to ship, and then I'll place another order with, like, say, gadgets and stuff, because it's getting very difficult to do unboxings. So anyway, in this one I have had a look at this because, as I said, it was included with some other bits and bobs that are not diamond painting related, but I wanted to show you this. And are you ready? We are going to be doing, look at this, 20x30. We've got a very new symbol here, JDSOP, for that. And I'm getting quite used to these 20x30 sizes. I've got another one of the Lion King, which you would have recently seen. This has 17 colours and it's just gorgeous, vibrant colours there. Nice, really short one. You could cut the border off if you wanted to. It really does look the part. Now, I'm really happy with that. So yeah, I might cut the borders off on that, but it's really lovely clear print. It looks like they're doing a kiss there with the two beaks there, which is really good. And you've got this really sort of hot flame chest going on there. So that's that one. And we'll take a look at the jewels here. It's our round jewels again. So as you can see, if we go like that, we have got blacks, probably 310s there. Very gorgeous looking red there. Darker reds, some greens. Oh, I'm going off the camera a bit. A mustard sort of yellow there, orange with an escapee. We've got browns, a dark royal blue there, some browns, dark foresty green. I love that colour so much. And then some other greens, browns, a sort of minty colour there. Very beautiful, vibrant blue there. A sort of teal sort of colour. A brown, and then probably your 3865, which is a white, and as you can see, 3865. I was really good at guessing that. Well, you've been painting as long as I have, you pretty much know the colours off by heart. Also, what I got in this consignment was this. This is really chunky, and it is washi tape, and it was in the it's like a train track washi tape, and it's nice and thick. You've got some really chunky tape on here, so a nice big roll of that. I'm trying to get a painting that is going to be like transport themed, but it's incredibly difficult because there's not many trains out there that I like. So I'm still on the hunt, but I'm on the hunt for more washi tape. So because I've got stacks of Christmas ones, but not enough for like animals and stuff. But yeah, I thought that would be quite nice if we come across a transport one. Okay, so that was in the haul that was with some other bits and bobs. This one that I'm doing now was I've got two paintings in here, and I had like 5 other things that are non-diamond painting related, which was what this band come in. So I've had to take it out the package and do it that way, because I don't really want to show you like stuff that is not diamond painting related. I really like to tailor it to diamond painting. But in here we've got a 20x30. It was a recommendation one, and I'm really excited about this because it will tie into my cheetah. Don't know if you've seen that cheetah recently, but look at this 20x30. Look how gorgeous this is. So this will tie into that, that multicoloured one I got. I don't know where I got it from. I think it must have been Temu, mustn't it? But I do have one similar to this, that cheetah in the sort of like the foliage and stuff. Again, a 20x30, and again, if you wanted to, you could cut that off, but it does look quite nice with the white background merging in with the different colours there, and it's really lovely painting. ZCO29, again, a symbol that I'm not very familiar with. 14 colours in this one. So you normally get near enough in every painting, your 310s, which are your blacks, and your 3865s, which are your whites. But this is absolutely gorgeous. Really superb colours, lots of splash of colour there, and it doesn't look too overpowering. They've just got that spot on. So you know, a bit light there, and then it goes into this dark pink, and that beautiful blue with the whiskers coming off there. They've really done a fabulous job on that. So that's that one. And we'll take a look at the, we've got no bags in here, Tessa, so unfortunately I can't send you some. So then we'll take a look at the drills. I've had to change over to the other side of the room today because the heat is really quite overpowering today. It's really hot. And if I wait till the evening, we won't get nothing filmed. So we've got whites, oranges. Oh, this looks like it's been, oh no, it's an optic illusion. It looks like it's teared and it's not. These two colours here, how vibrant are they? They're really gorgeous. You've got some light blue, an orange there, very dark sort of orange there, sort of like coffee sort of colour, I would say. Again, not a teal colour, but a sort of royal blue there. And you've got your reds and your burgundy red. It's nice when you get some colours that you don't really crop up an awful lot. We got a sort of magenta, I would say, pink, purple. Oh look, Sunny Stormy, you'll love that. Look at that, purple and black, your favourite colours. Well, fancy that. And then we got a yellow just to break that colour up. That's really cool. And then a black. So that's that one. Really happy with that. So let's take a look at our next one. Now this one is another beach sort of thing. So we'll be doing this hopefully in July or August. Oh, that's opened up very strange. And I really fell in love with this. Again, another sort of recommendation one. When I'm looking for paintings, I will put like what theme I'm working on. So like I'll put beach paintings, or you know, whatever theme I'm working on is going to be what I'm looking for. So again, no bags in that one. So again, I can't send you any bags, Tessa, unfortunately. But I love it when they don't include bags, because bags these days are very old fashioned. Because if you're like me and use your sort of pots like this, you don't really need the bags. So another tray like that. We'll get to the colours in just a few minutes, but take a look. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, man, that's bomb.com, as Misha would say, my friend. That's, oh my God, that is so good. You never get the wow factor until you get it in person. But this, oh yeah, man, I'm itching to get into this right now. This is 30 times 40 KA093 there, 20 colours. Oh, look, very interesting. So 3865 is not there, but we've got a new colour, I think, is 3835. I don't think I've worked with a 3835 before, but this is just gorgeous. You know that starfish that I'm doing with the little starfish in the globe? That is a partial, this is a full drill, but I think this will go really nice with it. From my sort of understanding, it looks like it's sort of like a sky with the cloud and the sun of the horizon there. And then you've got like a globe with what looks to be some sort of flower emerging through it and actually poking through the top here. So it could be that the glass is sort of cut out and it pokes up through the top like a heteranium. A tetranium or terranium is like a, it's like a glass bowl, and then you fill it with like trees and all sorts of wonderful things to create like an atmosphere for like an ornament or for like bugs to live in and stuff. But down here as well, you've got sort of like, it's like this globe has been landed on the beach. You've got this lovely beach section here. I don't know what that is. Lovely beach section, and then you've got this sort of like seabed area, but you've got another flower emerging here, and you've got some other flowers indicated around the side here. This is a superb painting, and I really can't wait to get into this. So that's that one there. So let's put that over to one side. I want to take a look at our drills. So let's take a look at the drills here. Really happy with all my purchases. Okay, so we got, that's quite nice. This is a lovely pink colour here. That's gorgeous. And then we've got grey, purple. I'm still on the hunt for brown drills for Hobie the Lion. As soon as they crop up, then we can get Hobie finished. Then we've got some blues. We've got a sort of vanilla sort of colour there. Another blue and a terracotta brownie sort of colour there. I would say sort of like a seaweed green colour there, and a bluey grey, another sort of coffee peach colour there with a pink. Oh look, would that fit Hobie the Lion? Let's take a look. Can it fit that missing drill? Look, this is the colour I need. It's that brown colour there to finish off that patch. That could be, it looks a little bit on the dark side, but we'll have to wait and see whether that can match it. If not, we'll just have to persevere and wait. And then we've got like a lighter brown with a dark purple, or well, mauvey sort of colour, I suppose. A sort of bluey grey again with that, yeah, another sort of teal-y, darky sort of blue, and then this lovely lilac colour. So yeah, some really lovely buys here. So let me know what your favourite is. Is it this one? Is it this one? Or is it this beautiful parrot? I think obviously Temu has done me a favour in a way, because it's introduced me to new painting sizes that I've never known to exist. I've always been very passionate about 30 to 40s, and I'm only really starting now to explore you know, a bit more different sizing. So to get a 20 times 30, I mean, you can see the difference here. As you can see, it's slightly smaller, but it does work, and I really quite like that. I think, hand on heart, my favourite size will always be a 30 to 40. I do want to explore like some 50 to 75, and I do have some 40 to 50s, but these nice smaller paintings are really quite nice, and I really can't wait. I really am really happy with my purchase, and obviously the washi tape as well. Let me know what's your favourite. Remember that this parrot came in a different haul, this one came in this haul, and I'm gonna try and get them, you know, I want to order so many paintings and get them in the one order. If it means waiting a couple of extra days for me to order like my gadgets and stuff, or anything else that are not diamond paint related, then so be it, because I don't like opening a package, taking this out and then building the video up, because I like to open it from the orange bag. So yeah, I think we'll have to try that, because otherwise if we keep ordering, you know, with paintings and then gadgets, they're just going to keep bundling them, and it's quite annoying. But anyway, so yeah, let me know what you think. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. We've got another Temu order just around the corner there, and we'll get that up on the channel as soon as it arrives. But please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap that bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do, and check out Temu today. Also check out my sister channels, which is World of Mike, Scan Models with Mike, Crafts with Mike, and Shopping Hauls with Mike. And yeah, if you want to get this for yourself, the links will be in the description of the video. Until next time, catch you later.